So, we are discussing indication of PPH or stapled hemorrhectomy. PPH means procedure for prolapsing hemorrhoids. PPH and SH or a SH come as an hope to humanity for decreasing the pain of hemorrhoids. History of hemorrhoids is more than 4,000 years old. A lot of scientists, doctors has worked hard, and there are a lot of new methods. Recently, PPH has gained lot of attraction all over the world, and doctors are trying to see where we put it. So today I am going to discuss you indication of PPH. This is a simplified formats, and if you see, until now, Milligan-Morgan hemorrhoidectomy is a gold standard, and RBL is one of the most common surgery performed in USA or probably all over the world. Newer technology, particularly SH or PPH, VGHAL, RFA, 4PF, and LHP are newer technologies, and there are many more also. And among this all, at present, PPH has gained lot of attractions because people has less pain, they go early to the works, and lot of hopes that this procedure may end all the suffering of humanities. If we want to understand in detail, then this major paradigm shift is an idea by which we can discuss almost all procedures. See, Milligan-Morgan is still the gold standard. It is a classic era. And after that, there's a post-classic era in which there was improving, searching for new options. Then newer technology come up in form of energy devices and new methods. And thou knew this is a new era in which there is an intention of cure, that is for PFs. But today we are going to discuss SHPPH, right? So, how one should select the methods? So, hemorrhoids has a 4 grade: grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and a complicated hemorrhoids. For all hemorrhoids, dietary and lifestyle modification is a must. Then if for grade 1 and grade 2, added is a medications. For grade 3, office procedures, grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3, and in certain cases grade 4 also. Then in grade 2, grade 3 and occasionally in grade 4s, there is a non-excisional method like DGHAL and SHPPS. And excisional is from grade 2 to grade 4. So whenever we are selecting any methods, one should go through this whole stage informations, so it becomes much easier which method is advisable and which is less advisable. As disease go to complications or stage 4, excisional is better, and as disease decrease, office procedure is better. And SH, stapled hemorrhectomy, is best probably for grade 3 with its hemorrhoids and with less vascular, although they can be used in grade 2 and grade 4 also. Thank you.